Fast, efficient, and portable, the Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator is designed to provide rapid inflation for a variety of vehicles, including MPVs, cars, e-bikes, and motorcycles. With a powerful 150 psi capacity, it ensures that tires are inflated quickly, often in just 1 minute, making it ideal for roadside emergencies or regular maintenance. The compact, cordless design allows for easy use without the hassle of tangled cords or searching for power outlets. The Wonderblocks Smart Pollinator Observatory transforms any backyard into a vibrant hub for nature observation. This innovative device seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with environmental awareness, offering users a unique way to attract and monitor local pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Designed to be simple yet highly effective, the observatory utilizes sensors to detect pollinator activity, providing real-time data about the species visiting your garden. Low Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. The Twin is more than a trash can. It's a perfect blend of practicality and sophisticated design. Engineered to complement modern living spaces, its sleek structure provides both functionality and style. The dual-compartment design allows you to separate waste effortlessly, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly foot pedal, accessing each compartment is seamless, minimizing contact with trash and maintaining hygiene. The Macaka To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Macaka To Go is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. The Key Unity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip is a practical, compact solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Its titanium construction ensures both strength and lightweight portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The 7-in-1 functionality includes a flashlight, which is bright enough for nighttime navigation, along with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and knife blade. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The X-Mars AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. The Blizz Portable Micro Mist Humidifier offers a unique solution for on-the-go hydration, delivering a fine, cooling mist wherever you need it. Whether you're on a run, teaching a class, or performing, this lightweight device ensures you stay refreshed and energized. With its compact size and easy-to-carry design, it seamlessly fits into your routine, providing comfort and convenience in every spray. Whether you're refining dovetail joints or carving intricate trim, this next-gen electric wood chisel transforms woodworking precision into muscle-powered speed. Engineered for efficiency, the powerful motor delivers high-speed strokes, up to 12,000 RPM, cutting through hardwoods like oak and maple with smooth, accurate motion. Designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists, this electric chisel boosts control, making fine detailing far more manageable than with traditional hand tools. The Renolor 3D printer offers versatility and precision for a wide range of creative and professional applications. Equipped with 6 color capabilities, it allows users to blend, segment, or create gradient color effects, making it ideal for detailed and visually dynamic prints. The 295 by 295 by 360 mm printing size provides ample room for larger projects, while the printer's ability to achieve fine details at a 0.1 mm accuracy ensures high-quality results with every print. Immersive clarity, uncompromising color accuracy, and true portability converge in the Pepperjob's X10 Touch Pro, a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED portable monitor crafted for professionals who demand precision. Whether you're color grading in a remote studio, refining edits in a cafe, or presenting sharp visuals on site, the X10 Touch Pro delivers ultra-deep blacks, vibrant tones, and unrivaled detail, all packed in a slim, travel-friendly frame. Transform your iPad into a powerhouse of productivity with this precision-built keyboard case, designed to streamline your daily tasks and elevate your creativity. Whether you're typing reports, sketching designs, reading long articles, or watching videos, its 4-in-1 functionality adapts seamlessly to your workflow. Built for the iPad Pro and Air, this case includes a full-sized keyboard with an ultra-responsive trackpad and 11 dynamic RGB backlight colors to enhance visibility in low-light settings. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. Engineered for precision, the FanticFold S1 Apex electric screwdriver provides exceptional versatility for any DIY project. Offering a maximum torque of 7 Nm, it ensures optimal performance whether you're tightening screws or assembling intricate components. The screwdriver features 2 RPM options, enabling users to adjust speed based on the task at hand, making it ideal for both delicate and heavy-duty applications. The Ryobi 40-volt 450 cubic feet per minute jet fan blower is a powerful and efficient tool designed to handle demanding outdoor tasks with ease. Equipped with a jet fan design, this blower delivers a robust airflow of 450 cubic feet per minute and a wind speed of 120 miles per hour, ensuring that even the toughest debris is quickly cleared from your yard, driveway, or garden. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight construction helps reduce user fatigue. Step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. Escape into your favorite stories without eye strain or disturbing others. The Premium Book Light Frame transforms late-night reading into a smooth, focused experience. Designed with an optical-grade magic lighting plate, this innovative frame evenly distributes warm, shadow-free illumination directly onto the page. No hotspots. Walang halos. Just pure, focused light tailored for private moments with your book. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The OLEP Archer Meeting headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. Beneath the surface lies a world of silence, wonder, and freedom. The Dive Drive underwater scooter invites you to experience it all, whether you're a beginner or seasoned explorer. With its intuitive controls and lightweight 14.3-pound design, it's built for ease. Just grip, press, and glide. Capable of reaching depths up to 98 feet, the Dive Drive unlocks coral reefs, underwater caves, and schools of vibrant fish. Take your two-wheeled adventures to new heights with the Beeline Moto 2. Designed to slip effortlessly into any ride, this compact GPS transforms your journeys by keeping the path ahead simple and crystal clear. Whether it's a 5-mile commute, a 60-mile scenic cruise, or a cross-country expedition, the Moto 2 keeps you locked onto the road with confidence and ease. Ride planning becomes second nature with this intuitive device. In just a few taps, choose the route that suits your spirit. Whether you crave winding back roads or the swiftest straightaways. No more hours wasted staring at complicated maps or endless settings. The Moto 2 brings the pure joy of riding back into focus. Its powerful mini-map display distills essential data like speed, distance, and ETA into a clean, easy-to-read format. Soft flickers of light dance through the mist, casting a cozy glow across the room. The Kinskot Flame Aromatherapy Diffuser crafts a perfect balance between relaxation and style. Built from premium quality materials, it fuses an essential oil diffuser, ultrasonic humidifier, and simulated flame into one elegant design. The interplay between the fog and ambient lighting delivers a lifelike flame effect that soothes the senses. Versatile enough for any setting, this diffuser fits seamlessly into bedrooms, offices, yoga studios, or living rooms. A simple one-button control allows you to toggle between full flame and soft flame modes, letting you create the ideal atmosphere for unwinding or enhancing a romantic evening. Measuring compactly at just under 6 inches in height, it enhances any space without overwhelming it. Gliding smoothly across your yard, the Eufy Robot Lawn Mower E18 introduces a revolution in lawn care without relying on wires, RTK stations, or signal towers. Thanks to cutting-edge Pure Vision FSD technology, precision cameras, and advanced algorithms, the E18 navigates independently, bringing true freedom to lawn maintenance. Setting up is effortless with hands-free auto mapping, where the mower measures distances and positions itself flawlessly, creating a detailed mowing plan accessible through your smartphone. Obstacle avoidance is second nature for the E18, with its 3D perception system keenly identifying and steering clear of garden furniture, trees, and unexpected barriers. It maintains your lawn with stunning parallel precision thanks to its smart coverage detection that ensures no corner is overlooked. Every stripe across your grass showcases the uniform beauty this mower consistently delivers. Roam X is an innovative E-Wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. Designed with rugged terrains in mind, the E-Wagon boasts durable 8-inch solid wheels that resist wear and deformation, making it ideal for sand, mud, grass, and asphalt. Its IP57 rated waterproof construction ensures that rain or muddy conditions won't stop you. Charging on the go is made simple with a Type-C port, and the built-in lighting system offers 350 lumens, guiding your way even in darkness. The Nicasa kitchen composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. Far quicker than traditional composting methods, which can take weeks. Operating at a maximum noise level of just 45 decibels, it remains as quiet as a refrigerator, ensuring it won't disrupt your home environment. With automatic sensors for temperature and humidity, the Nicasa kitchen composter requires no constant supervision. Harnessing the elements for reliable power, the Shine 2.0 delivers a next-generation charging experience wherever the wind blows. Engineered around a 50-watt rated wind turbine generator, this compact system captures energy efficiently in diverse environments. Designed with a powerful 75-watt USB-C PD fast charging capability, it ensures your devices, including laptops and tablets, stay operational even miles away from traditional outlets. Weighing just 3 pounds, the Shine 2.0 balances portability with performance, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures, remote work setups, or emergency backup. Beyond USB-C devices, it confidently charges 12-volt electronics and portable power stations, expanding its versatility well beyond everyday needs. A new elevated mount design elevates the turbine above ground obstructions, enhancing wind exposure for better consistency and stronger energy output. When storms take the grid offline or adventure calls far from civilization, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus stands ready to meet serious power demands with resilience and speed. Designed for those who demand efficiency, this power station delivers 5 ultra-fast charging options. Plug into a 1,500-watt AC outlet and charge to 80% in just 40 minutes. Solar charging hits 80% in an hour, fully charges in 70 minutes. The 800-watt alternator delivers 80% in 1 hour, 100% in 1.3. The EcoFlow Smart Generator reaches 80% in 40 minutes and full in under an hour. Inside, LiFePO4 battery cells ensure 4,000 cycles to 80%, lasting over a decade of daily use. The rugged IP65 rated battery pack protects against water splashes, dust, and oil. Control everything from the EcoFlow app. Receive real-time alerts, adjust charging speeds, schedule usage, or optimize for lower power rates with time of use mode. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Mashionike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Its innovative see-through design reveals the intricate engineering within, adding an industrial, futuristic look to your workspace without sacrificing durability. Built on a hot-swappable gasket mount, the KT84 offers a satisfyingly soft, cushioned typing experience while giving users the flexibility to swap mechanical switches without soldering. Whether you're working at a precise 29.5 inches desk or gaming in a compact 24-inch setup, this keyboard fits your style.